On the course page, click the Grades button from the navigation drawer. When the resulting grader report loads, click the Setup tab. Scroll to the bottom of the grader report setup page and click the Add Grade Item button. The new grade item page will open, ready for you to name the new activity, specify how it is graded, and select a category in which to place it within the grader report if applicable. Enter a name for the activity in the Item Name field. Use the Grade Type drop-down menu to set your grading preference for the activity. Choose Value to assign a numerical point value, Scale to use a preset grade scale, or Text to provide feedback only. Next, under the Parent Category section, use the Grade Category drop-down menu to assign the item to a specific category if applicable. When finished, click the Save Changes button on this page. You will now find the manually graded activity listed as a grade column within your grader report, and may turn editing on to manually enter or adjust scores as needed.